It's the Daily Haley Show. I'm Haley.
And I'm Daily.
Okay, well today we're giving each other makeovers. Woo!
But the only bad thing is we're having our eyes closed.
What? I'm not doing this.
You heard? We're having our eyes closed.
Oh
I don't know
my
if I
God.
should really trust you.
Why would you not trust me? I'm the most trustworthiest person in the world.
Yeah.
Okay,
All right,
let's start.
go. Okay. Eyes closed. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whatever you're putting on is not on my eye.
Okay.
Ow!
Can I just poke you?
Yes.
Is that your eyeball?
Nowhere near. Oh, something popped.
Wait, what is this? Oh my God! That is not my eyelash.
Oh God! What is that?
Can I use that? My turn. It's my turn!
There's
Give me
more!
it. Give me it. Where did you put it?
Wait, what is this? Ow!
Oh my God, no, you can't. Okay, ready? Ready?
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
You look retarded!
Stupid as hell!
Oh. It's okay, it's just YouTube. Oh my God! Bye guys!